Every year, across vast agricultural lands in the United States, machines harvest more than 2 billion pounds of walnuts. But what most people don't realize is that behind this simple number lies one of the most advanced and carefully engineered agricultural systems in the world. This is not traditional farming. It is a combination of precision technology, timing, and human expertise working together at an incredible scale. And once you see how it actually works, it completely changes the way you look at something as simple as a walnut. It all begins in California, a region often called the walnut capital of the world. Here, endless orchards stretch across the landscape, filled with thousands upon thousands of walnut trees planted in perfectly aligned rows. But these trees are not quick producers. Farmers must wait patiently for years before seeing any results. A newly planted walnut tree can take 5 to 7 years to produce its first harvest and nearly 10 years before it reaches full productivity. This long waiting period makes every harvest season incredibly important because a single mistake or delay can affect years of effort. As autumn arrives and temperatures begin to shift, something remarkable starts to happen. The leaves of the walnut trees turn golden and the nuts themselves mature, becoming rich brown and ready to fall. This short window is critical. Farmers must act quickly and efficiently because timing determines both the quality and the quantity of the harvest. And this is where modern technology takes over. Instead of relying on manual labor, farmers use powerful machines known as tree shakers. These machines approach each tree with a mechanical arm designed to grip the trunk firmly yet gently. Once secured, the machine generates controlled vibrations that travel through the tree. Within seconds, hundreds of ripe walnuts detach and fall to the ground. It looks almost like rainfall, but every movement is carefully calculated. The force is strong enough to remove only the ripe walnuts, while unripe ones remain attached. This precision ensures that the tree is not damaged and can continue producing healthy crops year after year. But the process does not stop once the walnuts hit the ground. In fact, this is where the speed of the operation becomes even more impressive. As walnuts cover the orchard floor, specialized sweepers move in almost immediately. These machines are equipped with rotating brushes that gently gather walnuts from all directions and organize them into neat, uniform rows. It may seem like a simple step, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining quality. If walnuts are left scattered or handled roughly, they can be damaged, which reduces their market value. Once the walnuts are arranged in rows, harvester machines take control of the next stage. These machines move along the rows, collecting walnuts using advanced conveyor belt systems. Unlike vacuum-based systems, these machines rely on smooth lifting mechanisms that transport walnuts carefully from the ground into large storage bins. The design is intentional. Every detail ensures that the shells remain intact and the kernels inside are protected. Within minutes, thousands of walnuts are collected, and what once looked like a field covered in nuts is transformed into a clean, organized space ready for the next cycle. However, what happens after harvesting is something most people rarely get to witness. The walnuts are transported to large-scale processing facilities, where they begin a completely different kind of journey. This is where raw agricultural produce is transformed into a polished, consumer-ready product. The first stage inside the facility is preliminary cleaning. At this point, walnuts are mixed with leaves, twigs, dust, and sometimes small stones. Advanced systems are used to separate unwanted materials, leaving behind only the walnuts. Immediately after this, the outer green husk that surrounds each walnut is removed. This step reveals a familiar hard shell that most people recognize. Next comes a deep cleaning phase that involves water, pressure, and motion. Walnuts are placed into large washing systems where high-pressure jets spray them continuously, while rotating brushes scrub away any remaining dirt or residue. Every surface of each walnut is cleaned thoroughly. This stage is essential because even the smallest impurity can affect quality, safety, and shelf life. After washing, the walnuts move into a controlled drying process. This step may seem simple, but it is one of the most critical in the entire operation. The walnuts are placed in specialized drying systems where both temperature and humidity are carefully regulated. Too much moisture can lead to spoilage, while too much heat can damage the kernel inside. The balance must be perfect. Through this process, the walnuts are stabilized, preserving their flavor, texture, and nutritional value. Once dried, the walnuts are sorted and categorized. This is where automation and technology truly shine. Conveyor systems carry the walnuts through sorting lines where they are separated based on size, weight, and quality. Some walnuts are selected to remain whole and are packaged directly, while others move on to further processing. For walnuts that need to be shelled, advanced machines take over. These machines are designed to crack the hard outer shell with extreme precision. The challenge here is significant. Too much force will crush the kernel, while too little force will fail to open the shell. Engineers have perfected this process, allowing machines to apply just the right amount of pressure. The result is a clean break that preserves the valuable kernel inside. But even after shelling, the process is not complete. The kernels are passed through additional systems that remove any remaining shell fragments. Vibrating screens and powerful air systems work together to ensure that only clean walnut kernels continue forward. And then comes one of the most fascinating parts of the entire process: laser scanning technology. Using high-speed laser scanners, each walnut kernel is inspected in real time. These scanners can detect imperfections that are invisible to the human eye, including tiny cracks, discoloration, or structural defects. Thousands of walnuts are analyzed every minute, and only those that meet strict quality standards are allowed to pass. This level of precision ensures that consumers receive only the best possible product. Finally, the walnuts reach the packaging stage. Here, they are carefully weighed and sealed into airtight containers or bags. The packaging process is designed to maintain freshness, prevent contamination, and extend shelf life. From this point, the walnuts are ready to be distributed across local and international markets, where they are used in everything from snacks and desserts to oils and gourmet dishes. But the story of walnut farming is not just about machines and processing. It is also about continuity and preparation for the future. While one batch of walnuts is being processed, farmers are already working on the next generation of trees. New saplings are planted, irrigation systems are carefully managed, and protective measures are taken to guard against pests and diseases. This ongoing cycle ensures that production continues year after year without interruption. Modern irrigation systems play a key role in this process. Automated systems deliver precise amounts of water directly to the roots, ensuring optimal growth while conserving resources. At the same time, specialized equipment is used to manage weeds and maintain soil health. Farmers also use advanced spraying systems to protect trees from pests, ensuring that the crops remain healthy and productive. This entire system, from planting to harvesting, processing to packaging, is a perfect example of how technology and agriculture have evolved together. What once required intense manual labor is now achieved with efficiency, precision, and scale that would have been unimaginable just a few decades ago. So the next time you pick up a walnut, take a moment to think about its journey. From years of careful growth in vast orchards to high-tech machines that harvest, clean, sort, and package it, every single walnut represents a remarkable blend of nature and innovation. It is not just a snack. It is a result of a complex system designed to deliver quality, efficiency, and consistency on a massive scale. And perhaps the most fascinating part is this. While you enjoy that small, simple nut, millions more are already moving through this incredible system, continuing a cycle that never truly stops.